I think my sister and I are the biggest foodies, but we fought like
Cats and dogs.
cats and
WWF.
dogs on a match where it's all about money. यहाँ तक कि हम लोगों ने एक बार सिग्नल पे इतना बड़ा झगड़ा कर लिया था, एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ दिए थे. हम किसी के बर्थडे पार्टी पे जा रहे थे.
The food is really good, huh?
I didn't have those trappings of a typical filmy star son. मुझे लेकर I think उनकी कोई hopes थी नहीं. And I was treated very badly by the media.
Being Jitendra sir's son did not help.
You can't be a shy child and be an actor in the 80s. That was not the mentality. Has to be on your resume that you are bold and beautiful. My first film was quite traumatic for me. I was lonely probably at that point of time. Everyone thinks कि we are protected because we are from so-called privileged backgrounds. Other than that, we have our own issues.
So when you decided to become a single father, किसी से नहीं पूछा?
नहीं, मैंने उनको तो बताया जब IVF was successful, when the surrogacy was almost successful. That's when I told my parents.
Oh my God.
अगर शादी नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो कभी भी कर सकता हूँ, बाद में भी कर सकता हूँ. नहीं करनी तो नहीं कर लूँगा. लेकिन अगर फादर बनना है तो आप जिंदगी भर वेट नहीं कर सकते. I think I'm the spiritual guru of the family.
मुझे कुछ कहना है, पर कहने की क्या जरूरत है, क्योंकि आज के हमारे एक्टर ने बिना कुछ कहे सबका दिल जीत लिया अपने गोलमाल से. Well, on this episode of Sunday Brunch, I have been invited to Tushar Kapoor's beautiful home to enjoy some delicious घर का खाना. आपने खाना तो नहीं खाया? चलो हमारे साथ ही खा लेना. Hello.
Hi Kamya.
Hi.
So good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Welcome to my house.
Thank you. And thank you for having us over. You have a beautiful home. कितने सालों से रह रहे हो यहाँ पर?
Well, I'm staying here since 2019.
Oh,
I used to
okay.
live with my parents earlier. उनके साथ
Right.
रहता था मैं पहले उनके
अच्छा.
बंगलो में. 2019 को आइए ना अंदर. यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया. यहाँ मैं लोगों को एंटरटेन करता हूँ, फ्रेंड्स को दावत पे बुलाता हूँ. ये कॉमन फ्लोर है टू द एंटायर बिल्डिंग. मैं 8th और 9th पे रहता हूँ.
कैसा लगता है living all by yourself and
It's
but parents live close by, right?
They live very close by, yeah. और हम सब शिफ्ट हुए थे यहाँ पर. रेनोवेशन हो रहा था हमारे घर में. अकेले रहना शुरू कर दिया मैंने तो I realized कि it's wonderful to have your own space.
Yeah.
तो फिर मैंने कहा कि आप लोग अभी वापस जा रहे हो, मैं नहीं जा रहा, मैं इधर ही रहूंगा.
Then there is no going back. एक बार अकेले रहना शुरू कर दिया.
Absolutely. And then pandemic हो गया 2020 में.
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद तो it became more made sense to live a little spread out, you know.
So which is your favorite corner of the house? कहाँ chill करते हैं?
My favorite corner is my room where I watch my TV, my news or my shows. Dinner I have in my room only. So that is my favorite space because that's my me time space.
And I can see there's such beautiful pictures everywhere in the house. तो ये सारे जो interiors वगैरह है, have you been personally involved in how you've done up?
Books देखकर decide किया था कि ये color palette चाहिए मुझे. I want just black and white and silver. जो आपको यहाँ तो colorful है, हो गया अभी change किए गए हैं सारे, क्योंकि वो मतलब 15 साल हो गए अभी जब हमने इस पर इंटीरियर यहाँ इंटीरियर्स किए थे. And I said I want a very American, very minimalistic, white, black, steel, American guy's room, you know, American guy's house.
There are two boys living here.
One boy. I have one son.
Yeah, but you and him.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
two
yeah.
boys.
Two boys, yeah. Oh, thanks for calling me a boy. Yeah.
You look like a boy. मैंने जैसे आपको देखा था आपकी debut film में and till date.
That's not true. I look younger than I looked in my debut film.
Maybe,
Yeah.
yes.
I was plump then. I was very raw and I was very unsure and it worked for that character. थोड़ा ज़्यादा मजा हो गया हूँ मैं अभी. You know, I hope so.
Yes.
If I'm on your show. Basically, I'm a foodie and in my health freakness also.
Yeah.
I find it very hard to cut down on the portions because I love food.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
आज पता चलेगा whether what he's saying is true or not. आज मेन्यू में क्या है?
आज मेन्यू में आपके लिए है सारा खाना. अब आपकी ऑडियंसेस से शेयर करूंगा कि क्या क्या खाता हूँ मैं लंच पे.
Sure.
You know, as a health freak.
Yeah.
लेकिन आपके लिए मैंने घर का मतलब शानदार खाना जो हम लोगों को दावत पर बुलाकर खिलाते हैं वैसा खाना बनवाया है.
वाह, I'm
And it's a surprise
excited.
to you. I don't want to be announcing it right now. Why not we just
Of
cut
course.
to the chase and
Yeah.
just basically reveal what is going to be there.
Let's do
Yeah,
it. आप भी
yeah.
खाना खाइए और साथ में हम भी खाना खाएंगे. So who is the biggest foodie in the Kapoor clan?
I think my sister and I are the biggest foodies. Ekta and I have grown up being real gluttons.
अच्छा.
तो अभी फिलहाल मैं बहुत कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I mean, but my दिमाग is only working on मेरे the next meal. हालांकि मैं खाऊंगा सही लेकिन एक मील खत्म नहीं होता है, शुरू हो जाता है दिमाग में कि अभी कितने घंटे बचे हैं नेक्स्ट मील के लिए.
घर पर हमेशा संडे ब्रंच के लिए क्या बना करता है?
पहले हम खाते थे साथ में क्योंकि हम मतलब एक ही घर में रहते थे. आई मीन व्हेन वी वर किड्स आई थिंक. अभी तो जब हम साथ भी रहते थे तो वी नेवर एट रियली टुगेदर. सबके टाइमिंग्स अलग अलग हैं. माय मॉम इज सिंधी सो शी टू ऑर्डर पकवान दाल एंड
Right.
some places really send you a tiffin and it's
Yeah.
really well made. When we were kids I remember having that on Sunday. I think in a Punjabi house the staple cheat meal is paratha, aloo ka paratha. So that used to be our favorite and all the desserts would be Indian like aate ka halwa, suji ka halwa, moong dal ka halwa. My mouth waters when I think about all of that. So nothing fixed. Good food is always welcome.
But Sindhi mom and Punjabi dad.
Yes.
तो घर पे ज्यादा सिंधी फूड का इन्फ्लुएंस या पंजाबी खाने का
Mostly
influence?
Punjabi.
Mostly Punjabi.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
most of the Indian houses have the typical dal, chawal, roti, chicken, curry, sabzi. I think we grew up with that only.
और सिंधी कढ़ी खाई है कभी?
Yes, in my grandmom's house, नानी के घर जाते थे तो we used to have
अच्छा.
they used to have a round table like this, but there was a
Okay.
table over that which used to revolve. Dahi shakkar is one of the favorites in
दही हाँ
among
दही शक्कर.
Sindhis. Then
Yes.
sai bhaji.
Yes.
But I'm not a big Sindhi
Yeah,
foodie.
because I'm Sindhi, which is why I'm curious to know about what all have you tried.
I am
when
more
it
of
comes
a
to
Punjabi, yeah. And papad is the Sindhi
Yeah.
favorite, and my papad used to be there. Yay!
Wow, this is a huge feast.
आलू मेथी, दाल, मखनी पनीर, chicken masala, भिंडी,
Wow.
rice. I think I'm on the right show.
तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छी फीस्ट है, बट एज यू कैन सी आप क्या खा रहे हैं तुषार? I mean, हमें भी जानना है ये रिवर्स एजिंग कैसे होती है.
रिवर्स एजिंग नहीं है ये, बस थोड़ी ये माइंडफुलनेस है बस. जो
Work
मुझे
तो कर रही है
शर्मिंदा
आप पे.
कर रही है. मेरे लिए तो मतलब सब कैमोफ्लेज्ड ही है.
So
I'm
what is
having-
it? Tell us.
Yeah, this is some quinoa, some paneer. This is veggies. So it's like a mix of protein and carbs and like a healthy mix. So जब मैं बाहर भी जाता हूँ, I can create this balance. Like in Kerala also, I was very happy they would give me red rice because वो केरला
Yeah.
का खाना है. So
Right.
that works because I'm allowed red rice, quinoa. And then they would have a lot of veggies. And then you just mix it with one protein. So that's like my lunch. So
Okay.
even you're on a flight or if you're traveling and you don't, आपको अपने टाइप का खाना नहीं मिले, you can have this balance of veggies and you know some you're taking a bajre roti instead of a quinoa. मेरा मत सुनिए आप प्लीज. ये जो खा रही है ये खाइए. This is what life is all about. Yeah.
Paneer makhni. Oh my god. अच्छा, so you've always been in Juhu?
Yes, I've been here since 1990, since I was a teenager. Exactly, actually, I turned 13 and I moved to Juhu.
और उससे पहले पाली हिल.
Pali Hill, yeah.
So of course you must be having a lot of fond memories. So यहाँ पे कोई आपकी
That age is not very fond. 13 is a very difficult age. I went into the 9th standard. Moving from Juhu, Bandra to Juhu was very different then. It was not so cosmopolitan. That building culture was not there then. Yeah, building friends में खेलते हैं, के साथ खेलते हैं हम. Pali Hill, I had a lot of building friends. School से आना, you know, playing all your hide and seek, sakli, cricket, wicket till 9 o'clock. So suddenly the whole culture changed for me, living in a bungalow instead of a building. I became a little bit of a loner. So I had to keep going back to Pali Hill, to my old house, to be with my friends. So I used to eat a lot to get over this stress. And I put on a lot of weight. I had fond memories of 9th and 10th standard. I had
Achha.
pimples on my face. I started enjoying more. Then I went to the US.
Okay.
America चला गया मैं 12th के बाद. I found myself.
कौन से स्कूल में थे आप यहाँ पर?
I was in Bombay Scottish in Mahim. We used to travel to school from home in Pali Hill. We moved to Juhu, then it was a longer drive also. For 2 years we would go from Juhu to Mahim, so it became quite far also.
The food is really good, huh? तो आपका वैसे डेली रूटीन क्या होता है? What time do you usually wake up?
Around 8:30, I wake up in the middle of the night, sleep. I can't sleep continuously, and then I go back to sleep. I get catch up on my 7 hours, and then I go to the gym at 10. If I'm not shooting, then I'm with my son.
उठते क्यों रहते हो रात को? नींद नहीं आती ठीक से?
I don't know, I just get disturbed sleep.
Same for me, you know.
But I'm into Buddhism, so I chant when I wake up. I read something, and then I go back to sleep.
Is it easy to go back to sleep? Because मेरी अगर नींद खराब होती है, it's very difficult for me to go back to sleep.
You have to read something that is calming.
You mentioned बचपन में how you know changing your school or changing the area where you lived made you a loner, right? What about now? Do you feel like you're still a loner, or do you like socializing? Do you have like a huge circle, or do you actually enjoy कि मैं अकेला ही रहूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है?
No, I'm a complete Scorpio. Neither introvert, neither extrovert. So I can socialize like an extrovert because it's part of my job. I have to attend events. I have to make appearances. I go out a lot, but then I come back to I'd rather be home, reading my newspaper with my son, catching up with family, watching my TV, and going to sleep. Yeah. I mean, now I'm a loner by choice.
Okay.
Like then I was not a loner by choice. Then I was lonely probably at that point of time. I was not used to living in a bungalow.
Yeah.
So I found myself a little lonely and isolated from friends my age, and I had to make new friends in Juhu. And,
Yeah.
you know,
Tell me something. Being Jitendra sir's son did not help getting more friends.
children don't really think so calculatively. Na? Our friends were all naturally made in the
Yeah.
building. So everyone thinks कि we are protected
Yeah.
because we are from so-called privileged backgrounds. सबको लगता है कि हम बहुत protected हैं, हमें loneliness नहीं होती, सब दिया जाता है. But that's not true.
Yeah.
We might be secure in certain areas of our life, but other than that, we have our own issues. Life hits you no matter where you come from, and it has its way of just knocking down your door and finding you wherever you are, and then you
Yeah.
have to go through it. You have to face it, deal with it, and grow up. And then I went abroad, and that was a huge transition for me, and that was the best phase of my life, but it was tough.
Yeah.
Living here in a typical Indian family setup,
Yeah.
and then going there, वहाँ जाके अकेले रहना. But that was the best thing for me.
Yeah. And how many years are you and Ekta apart?
1.5 years.
Was she like a protective sister? Or
She's
what
very
do you-
protective, but we fought like
Cats and dogs.
not even cats and dogs. What can I say?
Wrestling?
Cats and
WWF?
dogs on a match where it's all about money. Not that we fought about money, but when you bet on a dog or a cat,
Yeah.
you see those dog fights, na?
Yeah.
That kind of a fight. We used to stay in the same room. We shared the same room till we were in the 8th standard. एक ही गाड़ी में स्कूल जाते थे, तो एक ही टेप रिकॉर्डर, एक ही टीवी, कौन सी मूवी देखी जाएगी, कौन सा गाना चलेगा गाड़ी में. यहाँ तक कि हम लोग एक बार सिग्नल पे इतना बड़ा झगड़ा कर लिया था, एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ दिए थे. हम किसी के बर्थडे पार्टी पे जा रहे थे, घर जाके वापस चेंज करना पड़ा हमें. सारे मेरे बटन तोड़ दिए, मैंने उसको पंच किया.
I can imagine your mom. वो कैसे आप दोनों को रोकती होंगी फाइट से? She must be getting stressed. दोनों लड़ रहे हैं.
Obviously, being a girl, Ekta used to be the one who's right always. I used to hit, to be very honest. She's still scared of me.
Is she?
Very scared of me.
So yeah, वही जाना था. Who's the more dominating one between the two of you?
Ekta speaks her mind out, whatever's on her mind. That can come across as very strong. In a fight or in an argument, when I start becoming aggressive, then even the devil will run for cover.
Okay.
So it's like we are different personalities, yeah.
But are you also sensitive?
I am sensitive, yes, for sure. But very resilient. I won't break. I might get bent out of shape, but I won't break.
Dad का favorite कौन?
Obviously, sister.
Daddy's girl.
Then literally कोने में बोल देते थे मुझे, लड़की है ना तो मुझे उसको संभालना पड़ता है. Indian father, typical.
Are you the mama's boy or no?
Mom was quite equal towards both of us. मैं US गया, US से आया तो I became very distant, not emotionally distant, but physically very distant from my family. I became very independent. Even इतना हुआ कैसे मेरे को पहली फिल्म भी खुद करनी है, home production में नहीं करनी है. I don't want you to make any efforts to get me any roles. एक खुददारी का भूत आ जाता है ना, अमेरिकन खुददारी का भूत. Because I used to live alone. मैंने अपना खुद का जॉब हासिल किया वहाँ पर, खुद की गाड़ी. Everything was. I was a financial analyst.
Oh really?
I'm a BBA from
Okay.
University of Michigan. तो मैं चाह रहा था कि मैं business administration के बाद वहाँ कुछ कर लूँ, corporate world में कुछ कर लूँ. Because I'm very good with math, good economics, good in finance. लेकिन I didn't enjoy the job experience there. But if I hadn't had visa issues, मैं शायद वहाँ रुक जाता और वहीं रह लेता. So I said, okay, now if I can't live here, then I'd rather go back and do something creatively in the movie world because I love movies. I used to watch all the Hindi movies there also. So I was good in the business aspect of my education, but I was always passionate about films.
But हमेशा ये था कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा.
No, I was confused. Family said, we'll get you a job as an assistant director. So I became an AD to David Dhawan ji. He was making Dulhan Hum Le Jayenge, Chal Mere Bhai, Kuwara, these movies at that time. I realized कि it'll be an experience जहाँ मुझे एक्सपोजर मिलेगी फिल्म मेकिंग के एस्पेक्ट में, चाहे वो एडिटिंग हो, प्रोडक्शन हो, डायरेक्शन हो, सिनेमेटोग्राफी हो, एक्टिंग हो. आई विल बी acclimatized to all the different departments and what Hindi movies is all about from close perspective. A David Dhawan film, you couldn't get more Bollywood than that.
Of course, yeah.
वहाँ पर मुझे रूमी जाफरी मिले. He's a writer, डेविड जी के राइटर रहे हैं बहुत फिल्मों के लिए, and he's a family friend. So वहाँ वो मुझे मिले और उन्होंने मेरा नाम recommend किया to वाशु भगनानी, and that's how I got my first film offer. I was looking for a job. मुझे एक job चाहिए था.
In the film industry,
in the film
movie
industry.
world.
So it was that typical, world school mindset कि मुझे एक job चाहिए, उसके बाद देखा जाएगा. तो मुझे जब एक्टिंग का जॉब मिला, मैंने सोचा कि अभी ये मैं 100% करूँगा और पूरी जद्दोजहद लगा के फोकस करूंगा एंड आई विल सी वेयर इट टेक्स मी. एज आई सेड, मैं एक्सट्रोवर्ट तो नहीं था, एंड उस जमाने में फिल्म स्टार्स का एक्सट्रोवर्ट होना मतलब इट वुड बी लाइक has to be on your resume that you are bold and beautiful. You can't be a shy child and be an actor in the 80s. That was not the mentality. And I think I broke a number of stereotypes. I came with a movie also which was very unconventional, and then I realized that it's not about how you are as a person, it's about how you are on screen.
पर कितना मुश्किल होता है ना, like naturally as a person अगर आप बहुत shy और reserved हो, but for your job you have to be an extrovert. I mean, it happens to me all the time, to be honest. I continue to be an introvert, but for my job I am.
If you enjoy your work, then a shy person will be able to get that alter ego out
and have that outlet also to express
yourself. It becomes like a passive aggressiveness that you really enjoy. Push yourself to be somebody else in front of the camera. You've touched upon areas of your personality which you didn't even know existed. You discover yourself in so many ways, and it's something that I think helps me feel liberated, which is why I think I enjoy it all the more. If I was probably very, very extroverted, maybe I'd just get bored facing the camera. All that energy would just be out there somewhere, and I would just come and be dheela. But now I give my full energy because I think it's all stored in there and it's out there to entertain people. I think if you're passionate about your work, that's how you can deal with it.
So how did you feel पहली मूवी के बाद? कैसा लगा था आपको जब रिलीज हुई थी?
My first film was, I learned on the job. So it was quite traumatic for me. बहुत डांट खाता था मैं सतीश जी से. Because he's a theatre actor. Very strict about performances. For me it was the first time, so I was nervous. He pushed me to bring that performance out. That shot wasn't okay till he would be happy. So I had no choice but to deliver. So I think that's where I learned that was my schooling.
आपका पहला जॉब कौन सा था तुषार, and do you remember what was your first paycheck?
My first job was as an intern in Arthur Andersen. When I came for the summer vacations here, I used to, because I had to have something on my resume, so I used to work here in the summer, so that when I go back and graduate, I'll have a work experience to talk about in the interviews, and I'll get a job in America. I had that mindset. So I worked as an Arthur Andersen as a trainee. So I used to go to Maker Towers, like an hour away. I used to go by a car, to be very honest. But I have traveled by train also at that time.
I saw your recent video. अभी आप recently train में.
That too, I went for shooting, and I was going to Naigaon, तो वो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे बता रहा था, और eventually मेरी गाड़ी आई 5 घंटे बाद. बहुत sensibly local train ली to Naigaon, and I reached in 40 minutes. और वहां से मुझे 1 hour लगी ऑटो पकड़ने में, और वहां मतलब स्टेशन टू स्टूडियो जाने में 1 घंटा लग गया, लेकिन better than 5 hours. I was tired, but I was so happy that I made life easier for myself.
पहला पेचेक क्या था आपका?
कुछ स्टाइपेंड था 5000 का.
क्या किया था उससे?
पार्टी. किसी को गिफ्ट भी देने के लायक नहीं था. Out on a Saturday night, I used to party a lot at that time. But my first paycheck for my first film, which Vashuji gave me, I put it in the bank. As mom said, put it in the bank.
Of course, when you're talking about your films, one can't miss out on Golmaal. It's been such an iconic film. How did that happen? वो रोल में आपका कोई डायलॉग नहीं था. So did you not feel apprehensive कि यार ये मैं करूँ या ना करूँ?
Of course I was apprehensive. Beginning में तो थोड़ा apprehensive था मैं. I had just done क्या cool है हम. It's another comedy only. इसमें डायलॉग्स ही डायलॉग्स थे, डबल मीनिंग डायलॉग्स थे. एंड देन आई वाज ऑफर्ड गोलमाल, एंड इट वाज द 4th कैरेक्टर, 3 बॉयज, एंड देन दे हैड एडेड दिस कैरेक्टर. इट वाजंट इन द ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट. तो उन्होंने ऐड किया था, और ये चौथा कैरेक्टर बोलेगा नहीं. उन्होंने सोचा था कि साइन लैंग्वेज करेगा. तो मुझे लगा कि अरे यार, अभी मैं कॉमेडी में डायलॉग्स के बगैर कैसे हंसा सकूंगा लोगों को, मैं क्या मैं नोटिस होऊंगा.
Comedy is the toughest, no?
It's toughest because you have to catch the pitch, the sur of the film. If it's a loud comedy, is it a slapstick comedy, is it a subtle comedy? But I just did it because it was a big film. Ajay, Sharman, Paresh ji, Maharathis in comedy, and then there was Arshad also, Sambal Rohit Shetty. He was this to be big director very soon. He had this huge hype around him after Zameen, and so I was like, this combo is something that I have to be a part of. So sometimes you just have to go with your gut feeling. Luckily, Sharman introduced me to Vikas, so he trained me for 2 weeks in that लहजा. वो मुझे सिंगिंग सिखाता था ताकि मेरे को एक हाई पिच, मतलब लकी जो मेरा कैरेक्टर था, अगर वो चीखेगा तो या वो जोर से बोलेगा तो उसकी पिच हाई होनी चाहिए. तो मुझे रियाज कराता था.
याद है अभी सारी ट्रेनिंग?
अभी तो भूल, क्योंकि मैं 2 बार, मतलब उसके बाद 2 सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ में भी मैंने उसे विकास से पूछा कि क्या अभी करना पड़ेगा वापस शुरू से. नहीं, एक बार आ गया तो आ गया.
आ गया तो अच्छा बोल के बताओ, ये खाना बहुत अच्छा है.
आया आ. Either A, आया आ. I hope you understood.
Yeah, you eat, no disturbance, or you go out.
You look at your food and eat your food, otherwise I'll send you out.
Oh. You have to tell me which golmaal is it, okay? Suspicious wife, flirtatious husband, vengeful cop, one rainy sexual tension night on a boat. Golmaal returns. Guy with a snake tattoo, blind old couple, 4 guys.
Golmaal Fun Unlimited.
What a movie, I love it. All generations can watch it. It's a movie that I can watch with my daughter even now. Daksh ने देखी है movies? ये वाली? कोई भी नहीं?
Doesn't like watching movies. He's obsessed with football.
Same, my daughter
YouTube
also.
he loves because he watches his football videos and he's following some 2,500 YouTube sites. Though he has a screen time limitation.
But he knows dad's an actor.
School में आके उसके friends बोलते हैं your dad was very good in Golmaal.
Girl ghost, property disruption.
Oh, Golmaal again.
Golmaal again. Old couple get married after a long time. Orphans.
Mithunda and Ratna Pathak in Golmaal 3.
It'd be interesting अगर हमारे audiences को भी सारी गोलमाल याद है या नहीं. In my mind, they're all mixed up now. मुझे फिर से एक रिवीजन करना पड़ेगा सब गोलमाल का.
Yeah, a lot of people say first one was the best because every franchise say first one is the best. लेकिन अभी बहुत सारे लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि गोलमाल 3 उनको बहुत पसंद आई थी, गोलमाल 4 उनको बहुत पसंद आई थी.
How did you like yourself in the movie once it was out?
I was confident. कुछ अलग तो किया है, लोग पसंद करेंगे. फिल्म भी बहुत बढ़िया बनी है. जब मेरा वो सीन था ब्रिजेश हिरजी के साथ जो I was kind of threatening him, वो सांप बन के आता है, या तो उसके पहले मैं करता हूँ उसे एक मोनोलॉग देता हूँ और फिर वो सांप बन के आता है, डराता है हमको. I was cringing when I saw the monitor and I told him, Rohit, please दोबारा रीशूट कर ले. And he's such a confident director. He's so clear. He said चुप बैठ. He said that ठीक है. People like that scene.
Yeah. Iconic.
I can't watch myself. I watch my movies after 1 or 2 years.
अच्छा मैं आपको कुछ questions पूछूंगी. You have to give me an answer on who's most likely to. Who's most likely to plan a family vacation and make sure that everything is perfect?
My mom. Oof. She loves family vacations and she plans everything and decides everything for everybody and makes sure that everything is perfect.
तो बचपन में you and Ekta of course would fight a lot. अभी लड़ाई होती है या अभी इतनी लड़ाई
No,
नहीं
we
होती?
are very good friends now. We patched up.
Who's most likely to binge watch a show or a movie all night or in one go?
My sister.
Really?
Her work is only such. She keeps watching
Oh,
her
yeah.
episodes and she timing का कोई हिसाब किताब है नहीं. वो अगर कुछ पसंद आता है तो वो देख लेगी पूरी रात भर.
But-
She's a workaholic in that sense, yeah.
But that is her own shows that she is watching.
Oh no,
ना?
even if she's watching अगर कुछ मतलब कोई international पहले भी आते थे ना TV shows 2000s में या
Yeah,
2010s में, you know that
Right.
time Lost हो या you know
Yeah.
those.
Who's most likely to crack a joke to lighten up a serious moment?
Dad,
Who's most likely to win an argument in the family no matter what?
sister, win or lose an argument also, and then later on she'll do exactly what the other person said.
Who's most likely to get emotional while watching a sentimental movie or a show?
Mom,
Who's most likely to give the best life advice during a tough situation?
me. I think I'm the spiritual guru of the family.
You do come across as one.
That's so boring.
It's not boring, it's
Yeah.
just being enlightened. It's
Got it, yeah.
just somebody who's more aware. Who's most likely to lose their cool when things don't go as planned?
Sister,
Who's most likely to get everyone to the dance floor at a family celebration?
none, no one.
No?
We all are like,
Not even Jeetu sir.
when he was much younger, I think it would be him, yeah.
Who's likely to stay calm and composed even during a chaotic situation?
Mom.
I thought also you.
Me too, but I'm also thoda hum hai.
Who's most likely to come up with a spontaneous plan?
Sister,
Who do you usually go out to when you're seeking any advice?
I don't seek advice. I don't go to anybody when I seek advice. I'm very private that way. So sorry, I'm boring that way, but
That's
me
not
myself,
boring.
me
That's
myself.
confidence.
Yeah, me myself. I think हमें ही पता होता है हमारे लिए क्या बेस्ट है. Obviously, parents can give us worldly advice and बहुत सारी चीजें वो गाइड कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक आपके अंदर की आवाज आपको सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित रखेगी. दैट इज माई बिलीफ. आई गेट कंफ्यूज अ लॉट एट टाइम्स बट आई फील आपकी खुद की जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होती है वो आप दूसरों को सब कुछ सुन सकते हैं, लेकिन मेरी एडवाइस जो मैं लेता हूँ वो मैं अपने आप से ही लेता हूँ. And then I'll make a calculated choice, yeah.
So when you decided to become a single father and actually be a trendsetter there, किसी से नहीं पूछा?
नहीं, मैंने उनको तो बताया जब IVF was successful, when the surrogacy was almost successful, that's when I told my parents. तब मैंने उनको बताया.
Oh my God.
मैंने उससे पहले
But
उनको
डर
बताया
नहीं लगा because it's a very big decision and we're
डर
really
तो
the
लगा लेकिन डर के
trendsetter.
आगे जीत है. That's my motto. I think even when I became an actor, I was a very unlikely star son to become an actor because I didn't have those trappings of a typical filmy star son. मेरा vibe वैसा ही नहीं था. तो बहुत सारे लोग probably even in the media and all, जब मेरा मुहूर्त हुआ था तो ना they were non bullish about me. मेरे मतलब मुझे लेकर I think उनकी कोई hopes थी नहीं. and I was treated very badly by the media.
Did it bother you at that point of time? Does it still bother you? Because now
As I
you're
said,
on
I am
social media.
sensitive, so of course it would stress me out. It would make me feel very, very mayus. I remember I used to get mayus, but I never gave up. And I think that held me on throughout the film. And I remember my producer also commenting कि इसने जो improve किया, you know, I kept improving even in my appearances towards in front of the media. Initially, I used to go without makeup. I had a cold in my first Mahurat song recording where I had to face the media for the first time. I had a bad cold, so I was looking like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And it was splashed all over the media. So I didn't even have the अक्ल. कौन कहता है कि हम जब फिल्म फैमिली से आते हैं हमें सब बताया जाता है, एक रेड कार्पेट लिया जाता है. We have to fall and learn on our own. It's your own journey. My dad wasn't sitting there and telling me कि अभी ये कपड़े पहनो या ये बोलो मीडिया के सामने, ये मत बोलो. He was like, you do whatever you think is right, and I had to go and face the fire myself. Eventually, I think I thrive under stress, where I have to silence everyone, where I have to prove everyone wrong, where it's my inner voice. Parenting का भी वही राज है कि मैंने खुद डिसाइड किया, मेरी अपनी जर्नी थी, मैंने उन्हें इतला किया, लेकिन उन्हीं में डॉक्टर gave me the permission कि now you can talk to your parents, so now you know because it's a very प्राइवेट अफेयर एंड बहुत सारे लॉज हैं सरगेसी के जो इवन इन इंडिया यू हैव टू अबाइड बाय दोस लॉज. कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी को बरकरार रखना पड़ता है.
And you were very young when you decided to do that.
In my late 30s, no, I wasn't very young.
Today it's considered young because बहुत सारे लोग तो you know they're not even thinking marriage.
For marriage there's no age. which is what I thought. मैंने वही सोचा कि अगर शादी नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो कभी भी कर सकता हूँ, बाद में भी कर सकता हूँ, नहीं करनी तो नहीं कर लूंगा, लेकिन अगर फादर बनना है तो आप जिंदगी भर वेट नहीं कर सकते. So for that I wasn't very young, which is when I got the calling, you know, कि family planning करना शुरू करो. Maybe you want to adopt, or maybe you want to get married, or you want to. There were friends who mentioned surrogacy to me, IVF and surrogacy to me, and these kind of fertility procedures. Which are assistive fertility procedures, assistive reproductive procedures. They advised me, and then I had a chance meeting with Prakash Jha, you know, who's a friend, but I bumped into him in Tirupati. He mentioned to me that एक family है India में, a woman who's a single mom in town, Sobo में. It's very possible. Why don't you talk to them? मैंने एक book लिखी है, The Bachelor Dad. It's about my journey to parenting. So I think इन्हीं सारे सवालों के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों के पास बहुत सारे सवाल है कि आपने ये क्यों किया, कैसे पॉसिबल हुआ, क्यों शादी नहीं की, और कैसे संभालते हो, फैमिली को बताया कि नहीं बताया, is it legal? I think I have chronicled it in this book, Bachelor Dad.
Did you have any reference कि यार इसने किया तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ?
No, there was no reference of another male, especially from my field.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए मैं नर्वस था, मैं डरा हुआ था कि ये क्या मैं जानता हूँ मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. कोई लेजिटिमेट फियर का रीजन तो था नहीं. Am I irresponsible? Do I not like children? Fear तो होता है ना कि fear of the unknown. लोगों के क्या reactions होंगे? Will I be a good father? Will I have a life after becoming a father? क्या मैं बाहर जा सकूंगा? इनफैक्ट जब मेरा बच्चा घर आया पहले दिन, तो मैंने डॉक्टर को जब दरवाजे तक छोड़ा, जो लेके आए थे, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि will I be able to go out? I don't know why I became a child in that moment. Like I didn't know the answer. It's up to me if I want to go out or not. जितना मैं देना चाहूंगा अपने बच्चे को वो मेरे ऊपर है. लेकिन मैंने क्यों ऐसे पूछ लिया उनको? And I think it was just about anxiety that had gripped me. But वो हर स्टेज पे था. पर आई एम श्योर जब एक माँ एक बच्चे को 9 महीने तक प्रेगनेंसी के दौर में, यू नो, व्हेन शी कैरीज अ चाइल्ड, उनके दिमाग में भी बहुत सारी एंजाइटीज आती होंगी ना, किसी और के घर में रह रही हूँ मैं, अपने माँ बाप के घर में नहीं हूँ मैं, बिल्कुल, क्या मेरी एक लाइफ होगी बच्चा होने के बाद. तो आई थिंक इट्स अनफेयर टू थिंक कि मेरे लिए ज्यादा ही चैलेंजिंग था. आई थिंक इट्स डिफरेंट फॉर एवरी फैमिली. ऑफ कोर्स या दीज वर very, very unique challenges that I had because I was one of a kind and I overcame them at each step.
But ऐसा नहीं लगा that, you know, one of the other fears could be कि अब अगर मैं एक father बन गया हूँ तो मैं भी शादी कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा, because girls would be like, oh, he's already a dad.
No, मैंने वो नहीं सोचा, बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचा. I've always believed in destiny. आपकी जिंदगी में किसी का आना तय है तो वो होके रहेगा. Nothing can stop it. 38 साल तक तो मैं कुंवारा ही रहा ना, कोई मिला नहीं मुझे. How will I be able to justify the fact that after having a child I won't be able to get married? Right. Who says that's not possible? But
it's amazing that you actually became a trendsetter, and of course then we saw Karan Johar also, you know, going the same route, and I'm sure there are so many more dads who are doing this. So this is amazing.
This is the Hindi version that is just out, but actually it's an English book, Bachelor Dad. I hope I can inspire people at least in believing in the universe, believing in the fact that if you hold on, you know, the answers do come. That's what my motto about writing this book is, to answer so many of the questions that people have about me. It's not about do what I did. That's for sure not been the reason for me to write this book.
Would love to know about your upcoming projects as well. We know about Welcome that's happening. When is that releasing?
Welcome is half over, Welcome Part 3, and it's a special film because I'm working with my mentor choreographer Ahmed Khan. उनके साथ, उनके डायरेक्शन में पहली बार उनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. I have a very interesting sweet character who's playing an actor's manager. You know, in this massive cast, I'm able to be noticed.
Of course.
Then there's 10 June Ki Raat, season 1 and season 2 out. Season 3 and season 4 will be coming for 10 June Ki Raat on Jio Cinema. And Kap Kapi is a horror comedy. It's about these young boys and girls adventures, or rather I'd say misadventures with the Ouija board.
So basically horror comedy.
Horror comedy, yeah.
Okay.
But in a realistic setting. And there's Dunk, which is about to start. I'm going to start the workshop for it, where I'm playing a lawyer for the first time. A very grey shade.
And we are looking forward to all your upcoming releases as well. It's been wonderful, Tushar. Thank you so much. मुझे इतना अच्छा खाना खिलाने के लिए आज बहुत मजा आया. Thank
आपने
you.
इतने सारे खाने में से इतना खाया.
मुझे बातें भी तो करनी थी आपसे. अब
लेकिन
खाऊंगी ना ये
इतना
कैमरा
मजा
बंद
आया
होने
ना.
पर. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Kamya. It was lovely talking to you.